welcome back to our channel. It's me, Elean Georgette.
Let me just tomorrow.
Today, what we decided is to get chamomile tea. We were usually walking and we saw this beautiful garden with full of chamomiles. As you can see right now.
Yeah.
Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? But it's a stranger's chamomile. But it's near to our house, it's our neighbors. So this is a private garden, so we cannot go inside to get the chamomile. But pity, because it's so nice that it's like we want to jump and steal some chamomiles. I wish I could go there to get some. So let's search for chamomiles. But first, let me tell you something. They might grow the chamomiles. They might plant it. But usually here, the chamomiles get out from somewhere. They pop out and we don't know who made it. You put the seed or plant it, or they usually grow and anybody planted them. So it's really impressive. It's like it grows out and after we see, oh, who planted those chamomiles and get it for ourselves. So let's find some of those chamomiles right now. Oh, look, we found a kiwis. Usually here we have lots of kiwis in this village. Lots of kiwis. And look, so it has also a watering system. And they make them grow. So let's search more for chamomiles. Oh, right there, I found some chamomiles. This is very cute. Look, those chamomiles are very cute. It's okay, let's just get them right now. Come on. You get it like this. You have your hands like a scissors, and you pretend your hands like a scissors, and you pull them with your both hands scissors. Okay, get it again. Really, it's like you're cutting them with your scissors, but it's your hand. So here I got some. So here's. We found lots of chamomiles, and even right there, this is the road, so that people.
I'm gonna put the chamomile. Wait.
Here is Jenny and the rest of her puppies. They're far. They're coming. We had a long time to see them. There's the chamomiles from line to line. How cute they are! Hello. Hey. Monster. You scared us. Hey,
yeah.
Do not bite, little girl. Don't bite. You've grown up. Look. At least we found lots of chamomiles. And be careful if you have dogs. Phew, you left. I mean you didn't. You will leave. Fluff, Nola. Fluff or Nola. And now the mommy. The most dangerous thing. No. Oh, those chamomiles are so small. Look. Look at those chamomiles. So you see, I made a ring. Look at these wonderful daisies. You get one daisy, and then you cut it from the middle, you open it a bit, and then you can put it as a ring to yourself. Wait. And then, look at this. 2 rings. Georgette's a little bit long right here. Anyway, I could make her another one. So as you can see, you find those daisies. Come here to look at it. You get a few pieces, and then you open it. Open it, Georgette. Open it. You opened it. So you have a daisy ring. Look, you open it like this. And then you put it yourself as a ring. But I cut it too short. Wait, I cut it. Yeah, it's okay. I have enough rings. So let's move on to get more chamomiles. The biggest, the one that has leaves, would be best for your chamomile tea. So we choose those to get. So we got some chamomiles. Now it's time to go home because we're all so tired now. We'll show you the chamomiles that we picked last time.
And I make 2.
Okay, come, let's go.
I'm gonna make those for my dad.
Pretty near. Look at my house right here. Right here. But it's a little far from here, but if you walk until there, it's pretty near. So let's walk and walk and walk, and be careful for the chamomiles to not fall down. If it falls down, then we're gonna have a great job picking it from the beginning. So we have a jar that we kept already. This is the dry chamomile. This is what you're using for making tea, as you see it here. And this is the previous chamomile that's dried, and those are the fresh ones that we just gathered right now. Okay, they smell pretty good. Even this, even this. This smells more better than that.
Oh yeah, this one smells too.
I am right here and I'm not so near, and all of the smell goes to your nose so quickly, and it's too much smell.
Wait, can I tell you?
So
this
it's like it's like freely chamomile, like DIY chamomile. So that we cannot spend money for at winter when we have a stomach pain or when we're cold. We could just get those. Yeah, so it's more better now that spring or in summer. That tomorrow is summer.
If we don't have money, we just get it from the grass or something.
Yeah. First, those are gonna put it in the jar.
Yeah.
Wait, to open it. Can I open it? I know how to open it. Okay. I'll close it and open it as well. Let me tell you the benefits of this chamomile tea. This chamomile looks like a daisy. If you have a hard sleep and you can't, drink 30 minutes before sleep. Do you know that chamomile is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer? This is also an immune booster. If you have a stomach pain, or a cough, or an allergy with something, drink this tea. This will be very good if you drink it. We'll be putting the chamomile. First you boil water. You can see right there. And you just put the chamomile tea. It's pretty easy. You boil the water, and after you put chamomile tea. The chamomile makes the smell, the taste, and the color. So let's put one here. Wait, let me put 2. A small one now, not a big one. one. Not like this. You're covering me. Like this.
Okay.
Because I put a lot.
I wish I made all the chamomile tea.
Okay, so we're gonna wait until it's becoming tea. So now we're gonna be sifting it because as well it has this.
Oh, it's
This
burning.
chamomile. Put it here, okay? And you sift it and get the chamomile tea. For now, we're gonna be putting the honey, the best part to make it more sweet. Good. This is what we use in the honey.
Just make it quick. The visitors are coming.
Oh my gosh. And now, subscribe to our channel and bye-bye. Have it. Please like us as well. And I'm sorry that this came so quick now because we had some visitors that came right now. And next time, we're going to close it happily. Love you. Bye-bye. See you in our next video. We would love to make another video with ice cream.